Good morning, students. The next heading in the first chapter of biozoology is concept of species. What is species? Species is the lowest taxon found in grade-wise systematics given by Carolus Linnaeus. The term species was first coined by John Ray, and he used the term species in his book Historia Genera Plantarium. What is species? Species is the basic unit of classification. The term species was coined by John Ray in his book Historia Generalis Plantarum. The definition given in Historia Generalis Plantarum by John Ray is species is a group of morphologically similar organisms arising from a common ancestor. Species is a group of morphologically similar organisms arising from a common ancestor. The next definition for species was given by Carolus Linnaeus in his book Systema Naturae. Species can be defined as a group of organisms that have similar morphology and physiology, and they can interbreed to produce viable offsprings or fertile offsprings. Then Charles Darwin, in his book Origin of Species, he explained species on the basis of evolutionary aspects in his book Origin of Species under the process of natural selection. Next heading is tools for study of taxonomy. What are the tools that are used by taxonomists to study about different organisms that are found in the biosphere? The taxonomical tools are nothing but the aids that are used. Aids or tools that are used by taxonomists to know about different types of plants and animals that are found in this biosphere. Botanists, they use two tools to know about different plants that are found in this biosphere. One is herbarium, and botanical gardens are the tools that are used by botanists for the study of plant taxonomy. What are the tools that are used by zoologists to know about different species that are found in this biosphere? The tools that are used by zoologists, one is museum, then taxonomical keys, zoological parks, and marine parks are the tools that are used by zoologists to know about different species that are found in this biosphere. The important components of the taxonomical tools are: one is field visit, then survey, identification, classification, preservation, and documentation. What are the components that are used by zoologists to know about the widespread species that are found in this biosphere? One is field visit, the second one survey, identification, classification, preservation, and documentation are the components of the tools that are used by zoologists to know about the diversified species that are found in this biosphere. The largest zoological park in India is Vandalur Zoo, is one of the largest one, which harbor about 2,553 species of both flora and fauna. What are the classical taxonomical tools that are used by zoologists to know about different species that are found in this widespread biosphere? taxonomical keys based on comparative analysis is called a taxonomical key. Comparative study about different animals. The comparative anatomical structures of different animals are analyzed, and it is used as key to know about the different categories of animals that are found in this biosphere, what we call as taxonomical keys. Then museum, the dead remnants of animals that are preserved, that is ready reference of animals that are found in this biosphere. Especially it is stored in extinct form, as well as living organisms are compared to know about the species that are found in this biosphere. Then zoological park, the animals which are placed in a restricted area, which was safeguarded by human care, is called zoological parks. The food habits and behavior of animals can be studied easily with the help of this zoological parks. Then marine parks, it is used to know about the marine organisms in a protected environment. Then printed taxonomical tools, volumes of information which are collected from different sources. The volumes of information are catalogued, which is used for the identification of organism, is called taxonomical printed tools. These tools can be used in the form of identification cards, then description cards, field guides, and manuals. What are the molecular tools that are used by taxonomists to know about the different species that are found in this biosphere? The taxonomical tools, molecular tools. Molecules are nothing but biomolecules that are found in the living cell, are used as tool to know about organisms. The different types of biomolecules are DNA, RNA, proteins, and carbohydrates that are found in different organisms are considered as biomolecules. These biomolecules are the similarity between these biomolecules are analyzed for the taxonomical study, what we called as molecular taxonomical tools. Some of the molecular taxonomical tools are given in your text. One is DNA barcoding. The genetic marker of an organism. With the help of this marker, we can easily identify the organism that are found in an area, or we can know about a species already exists in this biosphere. Then DNA hybridization is another molecular methodology that is used to know about the genetic similarity between the different species that are found in this environment. Then DNA fingerprinting to identify individual with a sample of DNA by looking at unique patterns of their DNA. Restriction fragment length polymorphisms is an analysis in homologous DNA sequence that can be detected by the presence of fragments of different lengths after digestion of DNA samples. What is DNA fingerprinting? The coding and non-coding regions that are found in a DNA can easily be analyzed, by which the different species that are found in this biosphere can easily be analyzed by means of this DNA fingerprinting methodology. It's one of the molecular tools that are used by the taxonomists to know about the species that are found in this biosphere. The next heading given under this chapter is automated species identification tools. Automated species identification is nothing but the computerized packages that are used to identify organism, especially entomologists. They use these automated species identification tools to know about the different types of insects that are found in this biosphere. Some of the automated tools are given in your text. One is Alice. Alice, that is automated leaf hopper identification system. Leaf hopper, that is sucking insects that are found in this different fields can easily be studied with the help of this the computer package, that is Alice. Then Daisy, digital automated identification system. With the help of this we can identify the organism. Then ABIS, automatic bee identification. Different types of bees that are found in this biosphere can easily be noticed with the help of this the voluminous information that are stored in computer. Then SPIDA, that is SPIDA, species identified automatically. Spiders, wasps and bees can easily be identified with the help of this package. Then drawing, honeybee wing identification can be done with the help of this packages. Then neo-taxonomical tool. This tool is an electron microscopic imaging to study about molecular structure of cell organelles. Then ethology of taxonomical tools. Ethology is a branch deals about the behavior of the organism, the behavioral pattern of birds, the sound of birds and bioluminescent organs of birds are stored in the form of computer packages, which is help to know about different group of birds and bioluminescent organ with animals can easily be identified. Then taxonomic resources. INOTAXA is an electronic resource for digital image and description about the species, which was developed by Natural History Museum, London. Then INOTAXA means Integrated Open Taxonomic Access. These are some of the tools that are used by taxonomists to study about the different species of plants and animals that are found in this biosphere. In this chapter, we studied so many things related with the living world, about the diversity of living organism. What is diversity? Study about the scattered forms of living things that are found in this world, what we called as diversity. Then characteristic features of living things, the need for classification, the basic needs of classification to identify the organisms, to know about variation among organisms, to understand about the evolutionary relationship of organism, to draw a tree about the basis of the evolution. Next, the taxonomy and systematics. Then the three domains of life. Then taxonomical hierarchy. What is taxonomical hierarchy? What are the informations given under hierarchy by Carolus Linnaeus? Already I explained. Then what is nomenclature? What is binomial nomenclature? Then what is species concept? And what are the tools that are used by taxonomists to know about the widespread species that are found among widespread species that are found in this biosphere. That's all about today's information. Thank you.